Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopper block, I'm going to be showing you how to make Chicago style hot dog. Portillo'S. That's right, Portillo'S original hot dog. Okay? And these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some bread. Use the poppy seed bread. Right here. Alright, you're going to need some Vienna beef hot dogs. Okay, you can get this at Costco, and you can get this bread at Costco as well. You can get the tomato just about anywhere. Okay, you're gonna need two tomatoes. You're gonna need an onion, celery salt. You're gonna need some deli pickles. Okay, deli pickles, not just any type of pickle. They gotta be deli. All right, I'm gonna show you how that looks. Those how them deli pickles look. Okay, they're kosher deli pickles. All right, and I bought that at Costco's as well. I'm gonna show you the jug. Took them out the jug. This is what you want to do right here. All right, deli pickles. All right, now moving on, we're gonna be needing some neon relish. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that up close. All right, there you go, right there. Chicago style neon relish. And you're going to need some sports peppers right there. Alright. And you're going to need some mustard. Alright. You can use any type of mustard you want. This is the best mustard there is. So that's what I'm going with right here. The French's. Alright. Now we're going to put this to the side. We're going to chop up our vegetable. Hot dogs. We're gonna put those. Now normally what they do, they boil their hot dogs. Okay, I'm not gonna boil mine because it tastes better when it's been like in the oven or whatever. I put the oven on like 350, and it just tastes a whole lot better. So you can boil them if you want to, but I'm gonna put mine in the oven until they turn red. All right. All right. We're just gonna take a tomato, slice it down like so. Just like so. Take this off. You know, slice it so like this. You gotta get 2 tomatoes on each side. Another little trick with the tomatoes, if you want to do it. Now they don't do it, but I do it. I like to put a little red wine vinegar on mine to give it a little tangy taste to it. So you want the tomato sliced up like so. Like that, fam. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in this container. Those are tomatoes. Alright. See if you can see that. Alright, with this onion, you just want to, you see the core right there? You want to go cut it down that way. Just like that. Take these, cut this part off, like so. We'll take this and scoot this to the side or whatever. Clean that up later. Take this skin off. Now if you don't want onions on yours, you don't have to put onions on yours, okay? I'm just making it how they make theirs, Portillo. I will put a link up to when I made the super dogs. They turn out super delicious too. So guys, please go check that out. And please like, share, and subscribe. And watch this video all the way through, please, for heaven's sakes. Alright, now you want to come like this. Let me move these hot dogs out the way so you can see. You want to come down this way. 1. And down this way. Like so. And then you go down like so. Don't be discouraged if you do something like that. That's all you're doing, fam. Alright. Now you're going to put that back in there. And then you just come down like so. I like mine's kind of thinner. So I just do it like so. All right, so that's how you dice up the onions. I'm gonna put my onions in here. So that's that on there. Here's your onions, okay? So I'm gonna do this other one, and let's just go ahead and get these hot dogs going. So I'm gonna open up this pack. I got 12 buns, so I need 12 hot dogs. So, like so, that's what I do. Stick them on there, like so. Spread them out. 10, 11, and 12. Okay, fam? And we're gonna put this in the oven on 350 till it get red. They already cooked, okay, fam? These hot dogs are already cooked. So that's what we're gonna do. See, and when I get done with that, I'm gonna show you how to put these dogs together. These Chicago style hot dog, like Portillo'S. See you guys in a minute. All right, fam, here's my hot dog, they done. All right, so I cooked those for about 10 minutes till they're nice and hot and ready. Let's go ahead and put these together. Put a hot dog in here. You can steam your buns if you want to. I did not do mine today because they already really soft anyway, so that's why I didn't do mine. All right, so we got our hot dogs in there, okay, fam? Now this is what we want to do. We're going to take some mustard. All right, let me get my spoon together. Come in here with some neon relish. I like a good heaping of teaspoon. All right, that's that. Come in here with our onions. All right. We'll come in with tomatoes. Like so. Actually, put theirs right, like literally on top, like so. Pickle. Okay. Last one. Pickle. Okay, now we got some sports peppers. Normally come with 2 on top. Okay, now we're going to put some celery salt. Lightly dust. And that's it. Chicago style hot dog. Portillo'S way. Step by step. There you go. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my french fries and I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm finally done with this Chicago style hot dog and how to show you how to make Portillo'S original Chicago hot dog. Alright, let me show you that up close. That's how that looks. Like I said, I made some fries too with it. Now if you wanted to get you some cheese, you can melt some cheese on that if you want to. But that's it right there. My version, step by step, Portillo'S Chicago hot dog. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, you already know, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love and God bless.